excited to be here. Just arrived this morning from Madrid. Moved to Madrid 2 months ago. A lot is going on. My name is Ori. In the past decade, I've been leading various L&D positions in leading companies such as Teva Pharmaceuticals, Variant Systems, and Safety Solutions. I've been doing compliance training, employee training, talent development, product training, technical training, you name it. I've been there in 10 years. Up to lately, when I decided to open my own consultancy companies, Co, in parallel to double service process in Buenos Aires. So, a lot of going on, I promised, and today I'm going to talk about why traditional learning isn't enough. So, we all know that the pace is crazy, the demand is crazy, the changes in skills, changes in everything. Our response to everything must be faster, and traditional learning just can't keep up. That brings us to rethink about specifically learning, but I will refer today to technical learning, but it's also relevant for soft skills. In 3 words, it's on-demand, gamification, tailor-made, and progress. We all know that learning today must be on demand, it must be tailor-made, very specific, and of course you have to measure it. So the first immediate solution that I had in my previous roles is to create an automated learning path. AI-driven diagnostics using Power BI, Tableau, AI tools to define the skill gaps, because if up to now we were reactive, now we need to be much more proactive, much faster, and to make sure that we cover everything. We have to do the customization from each level, each type of employee and role, and of course that ongoing workout that we need to practice during the week. Is that all you must ask? Of course not. And I want to share with you on a project that I've been working in the past year as part of skill set that is taking everything that you know and reorganize about learning. Okay, so up to now we were used to working with the 70-20-10 and very traditional learning and what we know. So go out of the box, and I want to present you gym skills. This is the project that I've been working on. Basically, I think that today the 3 main challenges of technical learning is that, first of all, if it's fully online, it doesn't get the cost. Something is missing. People are still looking at that physical space, especially in Europe, especially in Portugal, in Madrid, in Europe, and you need to create a consistent habit-building skill base. Not like just one-time course or several courses or a path, but an ongoing, just like a gym. And of course, you need to scale it, you need to measure it, and make sure you're on the right path. And now I want to take you 2 steps further. Now, imagine a city where skill building is just a day-to-day practice, just like going to the gym. People strengthen their minds, their brains into day-to-day consistency. And of course, the business also uses this to thrive and grow their product. Now imagine that gym for skills. A physical space that is both virtual and hybrid learning. It's not an online platform, it's not a college, it's not another course. It's really a physical space where people go and practice day by day, week by week, different skill sets, different levels, different targets for their capability to their organizations, but also to their own capability to the tech industry as individuals. And everything is around onboarding, upskilling, reskilling, and targeting the exact specific skills that that person needs. What Gym Skills does, previously what I said, basically takes most of the things that we already know, but reorganize them in a different way. How does it do that? First of all, employees, clients, customers, and users eventually proactively choose their track and level, meaning they take own responsibility for their own progress. That's first. Second of all, you have the skill workouts. The workouts are micro sessions. It can be theoretical, it can be practical, it can be hands-on, you name it. But you have a physical progress and habit building throughout the process and the time. Of course, on the other hand, as an organization, you can track, measure, and the progress that you have, and of course, the business impact. Basically, what Gym Skills does, along with the combination of physical and hybrid, along with the habit building, along with the AI and automation and personalization, fosters continuing learning habits. That's one. Second of all, you talked about scalability. They also practice scalability challenge because you can actually direct the exact issue or problem at the same time, and eventually it inspires everyone to take responsibility for their own growth. And that's the main change. The idea of gym skills is not another platform. As L&D professionals, we always hear about L&D, LXP, L something P. But eventually, what I'm about to say, that LMS doesn't matter. What matters is how people learn, how people take responsibility for their own progress, for their own development, personal development, professional development, and capability and compatibility to the organization. And what Gym Skills does actually defines how people learn. That was me. I'd love to continue this conversation with you. Just a short sentence about Gym Skills. I did start reaching out to companies. Companies are interested. This is something very strange in sustainability because I'm saying basically that the traditional models aren't enough. But people are inspired. People are interested. People want to change the way of thinking people learn up to today. So that was me. Thank you very much.